Flowers Suspenders Crochet Tutorial. The flower is crocheted with the main body. The tying rope is fixed with 2 knots. The thread is made of power silk and cotton. Start the first round with chain stitches. Start with 163 chain stitches. Smooth the chain stitch to the first stitch and connect to the first stitch. Start 2 double crochets. The standing stitches are not counted as stitches. They are still standing stitches. This stitch hooks the first double crochet stitch and hook the double crochet stitches corresponding to each stitch. There are 136 double crochet stitches in this round. And connect the first double crochet stitch and make 2 standing chain stitch stitches. Hook the second round. The second round is also the same. Hook 136 double crochet stitches and hook 1 stitch for 1 stitch and connect to the first double crochet stitch and stand up to double crochets. Hook the third round. First, hook 1 stitch to 1 stitch and hook 16 double crochet stitches. In the 17th stitch, hook to double crochet stitches and stand up to chain stitches. Insert the hook into the middle of the 2 double crochet stitches and hook to double crochet stitches and stand up to double crochets and a single crochet stitch in the middle. And a petal is completed. Then stand up to stitches and 2 double crochet stitches in the middle. 2 chain stitch stitches back to the middle and hook a single crochet stitch. The 2 petals on one side are completed. Then, stand up to chain stitch stitches on the other double crochet stitch. Insert the hook to make 3 petals. The hook method is also to double crochet stitches, 2 chain stitch stitches, and a single crochet stitch. And back hook 16 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. Hook to double crochet stitches on the 17th stitch. This way, 17 stitches form a group, and you need to crochet 8 flowers. Repeat the 16 double crochet stitches continuously. 2 double crochet stitches in the 17th stitch. After hooking, connect with the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch, 2 chain stitch stitches. In the 4th to 7th rounds, crochet 136 double crochet stitches, and 2 stitches are needed for each round. Pick up the thread from the back and hook the 17th double crochet stitch. Be careful not to miss any stitches. 4 rows of double crochet stitches, and connect with the first double crochet stitch. Crochet the 8th round with 2 slip stitches. This row needs to stagger the flowers. First, hook 8 double crochet stitches. Then, in the 9th stitch, hook to double crochet stitches. Start to crochet a flower. Then, its normal 16 double crochet stitches. Hook to double crochet stitches on the 17th double crochet stitch. This way, the flowers are staggered. The flowers will be staggered from the 9th to the 12th round. Each round has 136 double crochet stitches. You need to make 2 stitches for each round. If you want to continue to lengthen it, you can do another set. Directly hook the skirt. For the first round of the skirt, 2 double crochet stitches in each stitch. After hooking to 172 double crochet stitches, so each stitch has 2 double crochet stitches. Finish this round. Connect to the first double crochet stitch. Hook to 172 double crochet stitches. 1 stitch without increasing or decreasing, corresponding to 1 stitch. After 2 stitches, start the 3rd round. This round still has 8 flowers, so divide into 8 parts. First, hook 33 double crochet stitches. Then hook to double crochet stitches on the 34th stitch. Then hook a flower. Then in the 4 to 7 rounds, each round has 272 double crochet stitches. In the 18th stitch, hook to double crochet stitches. 2 double crochet stitches on the 34th stitch. 4 double crochet stitches in a row until you reach the desired length. When the length is suitable, start crocheting the lace. Make a slip stitch to the first stitch. Hook a single crochet stitch. 2 double crochet stitches in the stitch below. 3 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch. These 4 stitches form a group. After this round, start from the single crochet stitch again. 2 double crochet stitches in the stitch below. 3 double crochet stitches, and 1 single crochet stitch. Finish it yourself. 1 round. Cut the yarn. Turn it inside. Use the sewing needle to pick half stitches on both sides, and connect. Press the excess thread into the needle. At the neckline, determine the position of the straps on both sides. Make a slip knot with the thread. Insert the needle at the determined position. Stand up, pull the thread back, and a single crochet stitch next to it. Make a chain stitch of 60 to 80 stitches as a tie. When the length is suitable, then stand up to chain stitches. To hook a flower, back to the 3rd stitch and insert the hook. Hook to double crochet stitches. 2 chain stitches, and 1 single crochet stitch. And the remaining 4 petals are hooked in this position. Hook a flower. After completion, connect with the first petal. Cut the thread. Use a sewing needle to press the thread into the flower. Crochet the left and back 2 in the same way.